Understanding slow-moving. Enhance your English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, slow-moving. So, get ready to add another expression to your vocabulary arsenal. Slow-moving is an adjective that describes something moving at a sluggish pace. It can refer to physical objects, traffic, and even metaphorically to processes or events. Let's break it down. Slow, lacking speed, not fast. Moving, in motion. When combined, slow-moving depicts a motion that's slower than expected or desired. To understand slow-moving better, let's look at some examples. The slow-moving traffic made me late. He's reading a book about turtles, those slow-moving creatures. In these sentences, slow-moving qualifies traffic and turtles, giving us a visual of their pace. Apart from literal meaning, slow-moving can describe things like a slow-moving storyline in a novel, slow-moving bureaucracy in an organization. Here, it conveys the idea of progress or change happening more slowly than one might wish. To enrich your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for slow-moving. Leisurely, languid, sluggish. You can use these interchangeably based on context. And that's a wrap on slow-moving. Remember, language is about expressing ideas clearly and effectively, and you've just mastered a new way to do that. We hope this video has been informative and that you'll join us for more language learning tips. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time.